So this is how you clear the cache data in Google Chrome. So Google Chrome stores this data in order to facilitate faster page loading. So say you visit a certain website often, it's just going to cache that information so that when you visit it again, it doesn't have to request it from the server. So it allows for faster page loading, it reduces the server load, it even allows offline access. So if your internet goes out, the page will remain populated with all that data because of the cache data. So there's two ways you can do it. You can go ahead and click Control Shift Delete, and that'll take you to the page. Another way to do it would be to click on the three dots and then go to Settings, and then Privacy and Security, and then here's uh, cleared browsing data. So um, we want to delete the cached images and files. So I'm going to deselect these two, and then you simply click on clear data, and that's it. Basically, you're clear the cache data, and this is important because it protects privacy. Cache data can contain information about the websites you visited. So if you're trying to get rid of that, you can do that. It improves performance. So over time, the cache data can become quite large. So you may want to go ahead and do this often. This can also help you when you're troubleshooting. Cache data can sometimes become corrupted. Again, privacy goes well with security. So in some cases, cache data can contain outdated information or insecure content. Um, Another benefit is storage space. So you clear the cache so your computer has more storage. And if there's website changes that you want to see the latest changes of that website instead of, you know, Google pulling up those the cache data. So that's pretty much it. Hope you liked the video.